Hey everyone, and welcome to running a basic scan using your TruClient workflow macro with a login. Let's play. From Web Inspect, click the Start a Basic Scan item. Select the workflow-driven scan method. Click on the scan name to enter a scan name. Select Manage to import your workflow macro created earlier. Click Import. Double-click your macro. Select the appropriate allowed hosts checkboxes. Once done, select OK. Click on Next. Disable that network proxy. Select Next. You want to select the quick crawl coverage. You want to change the audit depth policy. So click that drop down, select the appropriate policy, and click Next. And Next again. Select Scan. Allow scan to complete, and you're good. Good stuff.